enough. We have this. $3.50. No, it's not enough. $3.50.
Hi, are you Elizabeth Day?
Yes.
I have taken you to the station. You are a prime suspect for our investigation.
The hell you are?
Okay, put your hands behind your back. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you do can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be provided for you with the state. Do you have any questions?
Yes, no.
In the car. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you by the state. With these rights, do you understand?
Yes.
May I speak to you?
Yes.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
What's your birthday?
August 11th, 1998.
Do you have a job?
No.
How's your family doing?
My mom's doing okay. My dad died a few years ago. And it's a little rough, but we're working through it.
Where were you 2 nights ago?
I was at home watching TV till 8:30, then I went to bed.
We talked to your mother, and she said you were not at the house around 8 o'clock that night.
I was absolutely at the house. She must be mixing up days.
You also said that you've been helpful since you've come back from the center. Have you been trying to get a job to help support her?
Yeah, but it's hard to come by.
How so?
It just is.
Do you recognize this person?
No.
This is Rebecca Thompson. Does that name ring a bell?
No.
Are you sure?
I already told you I don't know her. Never seen her in my life. Who is she anyways?
She was a drug dealer. Have you bought anything from her recently?
No, I stopped buying a while ago.
What about before?
I already said that I'd never seen her.
Okay. I'm going to take a minute to get some water. Would you like anything?
No.
It's because Rebecca Thompson was shot 2 nights ago. You were one of our suspects.
But I didn't do anything.
Well, we just brought you here to see if you did or didn't do it.
What do you have on me?
We know that you were not at home that night. You were at the park.
So even if I had anything to do with it, what would my punishment be?
You'd be sentenced 20 to life.
Well, that's a good thing. I wasn't even at the park.
Yes, you were. Admit it, you were at the park.
No, it wasn't. I was at the bar with my friends. Is that a crime?
So now you're at the bar? You said at the beginning that you were at your house all night.
No, I didn't. I said I was home at 8:30. Doesn't mean I went before or after.
We had video evidence of you saying that you were at the house that night.
It doesn't seem like enough evidence to put me away.
We also found a gun buried at the scene.
I don't own a gun.
It has your fingerprints on it. We also found an empty bottle of tequila. You've had a past with substance abuse. Are you sure you have not been under the influence lately?
No, I don't know.
What do you mean?
Well, I did go to the bar. I had a few too many drinks.
What happened after the bar?
One of my friends at the bar told me about meeting someone at the park. I didn't know who it was. They just told me that they were selling, and I haven't had anything in a while.
Did you go to the park?
I did. I saw the dealer. She had cocaine, but I didn't have enough money for it. Listen, I needed it. I haven't gotten a job. No one will hire me because of my past. I needed some money to help my mom. We've been struggling ever since my dad died, so she gave the drugs to me.
Did she want anything in return?
I told her that I didn't have any money, and I refused to give it back. So she pulled it out and pulled a knife out at me. But
How did you respond to this?
there was a gun. I had a gun. I pulled it out on her just to frighten her. I was so drunk. I didn't mean to hurt her.
How did you hurt her?
I shot her. I shot Rebecca.